Hi, are you interested in eco-printing? Would you like to learn a simple method of colouring your textiles without using traditional powdered mordants? Do you know what a traditional mordant is? Maybe you're an experienced eco-printer but would like to experiment with a more simple and natural way of colouring your textiles. My name is Nicola Brown. I'm a textile artist based at Clasheen in rural southeast Ireland. During this short video, I share with you the differences between eco-printing, using traditional mordants and working without, as I do. In simple terms, I explain what a mordant is, why I choose to work without one, and what to expect, the differences in methodology and the results achieved when eco-printing without a mordant. So what is a powdered mordant? A mordant is a metal salt such as potassium alum sulfate or ferrous sulfate. Fabric is prepared in a solution of the mordant prior to either eco-printing or natural dyeing. The mordant helps the fabric absorb the colour and become colour fast and washable. Why choose to eco-print without using a mordant? The bottom line is that there are health and environmental implications of using traditional metal salts as a mordant. I like to work without them because I feel that it suits my sustainable practice. I absolutely love the colours that I can achieve, the subtlety of the background, and I'm not a very scientific person. I don't like a lot of measuring, weighing and being very, very precise. I'm not looking necessarily for the same results every single time that I'm printing, but I am looking for colour fast prints that are beautiful and washable. If you're enjoying this video and would like ongoing tips, tutorials and updates from my textile studio, please subscribe to YouTube and hit that bell now. The eco-printing process differs when working without mordants. I use reactive pots. These are pots made of different metals, not stainless steel or glass, and the metal itself helps me achieve certain colour schemes and it makes the prints more light and wash fast. I have to process my bundles for longer, and I can also only work with limited vegetation to achieve results that are long lasting. In some circumstances, I make my own rust water solution, which mimics the effects of ferrous sulfate. Here's an example of this where I eco-printed organic hemp recently. I wrapped the bundles up with some flat metal plates as well as dipping the fabric in the rust water solution, and this helped lead to fantastic colour and prints. The vegetation used was cotinus or smoke bush, and after washing out the fabric, it lost all that sort of rusty colour in the background and instead became a sophisticated printed fabric that I could incorporate with plain for this particular top. The hemp was processed in an aluminium pot, but for even darker results, my all-time favourite pot is this wood-fired cast iron pot. It reaches a boiling temperature after about 17 minutes, even though it contains 240 litres of liquid. I absolutely love how intense the colour and prints are that I can achieve in this pot. Here are eucalyptus leaves from my own homegrown vegetation. This particular piece here is cashmere. This is eucalyptus on locally woven lamb's wool. These particular leaves are Eucalyptus gunnii. This next piece was processed in the aluminium pot, and you can see that the background colour is lighter than that from the cast iron pot. These are sycamore prints on upholstery wool, which I then made into a sleeveless jacket for myself. If you'd like to learn more about eco-printing, why not join me for one of my online workshops? A link to my workshop mailing list is in the video description below, and I will also be posting regular videos here to YouTube with tips, tutorials, and updates from my textile practice in Ireland. Until next time.